Today we will learn how to install projector headlights for a 2002 to 2005 Dodge Ram.
Please make sure you have all the tools shown here before you proceed with the installation.
We can begin by opening the hood. Now that the hood is open, there is a weather shield. The weather shield can be removed by removing the Phillips screw. Now for the headlights. There are two bolts that need to be removed that are indicated with red arrows. Also, at the corner of the headlights, there's another red arrow indicated for another bolt that needs to be removed. We can then use our headlight remover to remove the headlights. Now we can release the signal lights and headlight harness and remove the headlight completely. After the headlight has been removed completely, we can take out the signal bolt. We can now replace all the necessary harnesses back to the new projector headlights, and then gently placing the headlights back into its place. Then putting back both bolts and the corner bolt. Now the headlight is secure. Last but not least, we could then put back the weather shield. The weather shield can be replaced with the Phillips screw. Your headlight is now complete. Please check all lights before taking your vehicle out on the road. Thank you.
Thank you for choosing K2 Motor Videos to assist you. Please visit K2 Motor for more products.